Hi guys, I'm Makantoni Madeka. Welcome to my channel. Of course, this is MacLab Academy, where I teach you all the how-tos, how to make money online, how to trade on cryptocurrency, and every other how-tos. All right, web development, graphic design, and what have you. All right. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how to convert your PDF files to Word documents. All right, so feel free to subscribe to my channel. If today is your first time of viewing my video, I want you to subscribe if you want to see more creative and educative content like this. All right, just subscribe to my channel, and of course hit the like button to allow you to recommend this video to more and more people. All right, so without further ado, let's just dive into what we have for the day. All right, like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to convert your PDF file into Word document. All right, a lot of people actually don't know how to do this. You know, they find it very difficult. They think once something is in a PDF format, it cannot be edited, or it cannot be anything, nothing can be done about it. All right, so they find it difficult to do one or two things once it's a PDF document, and they really want to know how to do or make it happen. All right, so in today's class, of course, I'll be teaching you how you can do that in a twinkle of an eye. All right, let's just dive into it. All right, just open your browser. Of course, I'm in my browser already. I use Chrome. So of course, you can do this on your laptop, you can do this on your phone. It doesn't select any device. All right, so go to your browser, just type I love PDF.com. This is a very wonderful site. I've used it over and over and over again, and guess what, it is completely free. All right, so if you open this website, you're going to see a lot of options that really works. All right, so but for the sake of this class, I don't want it to be too long, and we are going to dive into what we want to do, which is PDF to Word. We want to convert our PDF file to a Word document. So I'm going to click on this. This is the fourth option, and it brings me to this place. All right, so because I want to do that, I want to select the file I really want to convert. I can drop this. There are several ways to do this. I can just minimize this and drop my file here, but I think let me just click on the button here. All right, so I'll just look for the PDF file. I think I named it at the tutor2. I purposely did this stuff for this training. All right, so I'm just gonna click on open for it to upload. Of course, it's uploaded here on this site. So all I have to do now is to just go to this place and click on convert. All right, convert to Word. I click on it, it's converting, and voila, it's done. All right, so as you can see, it said your PDF file is now converted to blah 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 blah. So you click on the download, it brings you to this place. This is my downloader, so I click on download. All right, as you can see, boom, it's here now. I have that same document as a Word document, that same PDF document as a Word document now. All right, let me just go ahead and show you. All right, look at it. Look at the one we converted, and look at the one we changed. All right, so this is the original PDF file, and this is the converted version of it. So I can go ahead and open it so that you see it for yourself. Okay, let me open this. Wow, look at it. So I can now type on it and all of that. Let me go ahead and open the previous one, the PDF file. I've got to open it. It's taking time. Okay, I really want to show you I really want you to confirm that this and this are one and the same. All right, as you can see, this is the PDF version of it, which I converted. All right, so this works, so you can go ahead and use it and be grateful that you did. All right, so this site is a powerful site that can help you do all of that. All right, so thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe on my video on my channel if you want more educative videos like this. All right, and please hit the notify button so that you get videos whenever I upload them, and of course recommend your friends to this channel. I'll be so grateful. All right, so thank you so much. See you in our next video. God bless you.